4 marks IGCSE question. There are a lot of words here. What's really important is there are 450 students and someone was chosen at random. So let's look at this table here. They asked us to work out how many of these 450 students traveled by car. This is it here. Now we need to know what's the probability of this multiplied by the total, and that's the answer. Now how do we work out 2x? The first thing is the sum of these probabilities always add up to 1. Now if we do 0.2 plus x plus 2x, which is 3x, plus 0.26, that should give you 1. Now 0.2 plus 0.26 is 0.46. Move it to the other side, you will have 3x here equals 1 minus 0.46. Divide by 3, divide by 3 here, we'll have x equal 1 minus 0.46 is 0.54. Divide that by 3, so x is 0.18. Okay, now to find 2x, we will just multiply by 2. So 2x is going to be 0.18 times 2, which is 0.36. Now the number of students is going to be 450 times the probability. So it's going to be 450 times 0.36, and that gives you 162 students. How exciting. Was it easy?